the season when front doors take the most punishment in the shortest amount of time, which is why visible aging accelerates so quickly during these months. Intense UV exposure breaks down finishes at a chemical level, stripping away their ability to protect the door beneath. At the same time, high temperatures cause doors to heat up far beyond the outdoor air temperature, stressing materials and coatings day after day. This constant exposure rapidly ages finishes, making doors look years older by the end of a single summer. Heat and humidity make the damage cumulative. As doors expand during hot days and contract at night, microcracks form in weakened finishes, allowing moisture to sneak inside. Summer storms then force water into seams, edges, and panels, compounding the problem. Each cycle of heat, moisture, and drying degrades the door a little more, drying out wood fibers, weakening adhesives, and causing veneers or panels to separate. What starts as minor fading or dullness can quickly turn into peeling, warping, or structural instability. Unlike winter damage, which often develops slowly and invisibly, summer damage is aggressive and fast-moving. By the time fall arrives, much of the harm is already done, and cooler weather can't reverse it. That's why doors that look fine in spring often appear worn, uneven, or failing by late summer. Summer doesn't just reveal aging, it actively accelerates it, making early protection and proper refinishing critical to preserving a front door's lifespan and appearance. Door Renew can provide that protection. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.